Hold tight, I've been right where you're standing. Just hold tight to me. The world tries to beat you and leave you lonely, but there's light you see. 'Cause now I know we are God. They can push, they can break, they can throw our bones away. Call me by another name, but I'm a champion. Trying to keep my head up high, but the water keeps on rising. Playing on my knees besides, I can live and feel like dying. But there's something inside of me that keeps believing. Cold eyes staring right back at me, but they won't see me cry. This fight wasn't made for everybody. We're different, you and I. Don't you know we are God? They can push, they can break, they can throw our bones away. Call me by another name, but I'm a champion. In my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, views, that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. Of my views, that's on you. I'll be on a flight soon to Vienna, singing ooh. Gotta know all this propaganda. How do you do? Better get it with my own medicine for you. I'm never gonna make them think I'll stand there. breath, like the fire you'll soon remember. Ooh, I'll be inflating till the end. I'm singing. Ooh, gotta know this broke again, but how do you do? For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand back, John, now let loose. Don't know